Education is known as the most powerful weapon that has the ability to change the world. In a significant step towards treating school education holistically without segmentation from pre-nursery to class 12th, Samagra Shiksha, an overarching program, was launched in 2018 by subsuming the erstwhile centrally sponsored schemes of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan and Teacher Education. In recent developments, the Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has given its approval for the continuation of the revised Samagra Shiksha scheme for a period of 5 years from 21 to 26, with a total financial outlay of 2,94,283, which includes centrally share of 1,85,398 rupees.
समग्र शिक्षा 2 आज कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स ने उसको मंजूरी दी है, जिसकी मैं दोहराता हूँ। 2,94,000 करोड़ रुपया की आने वाले मार्च 2026 तक, 21 से 26 तक की इस 5 साल में लगभग 3 लाख करोड़ रुपया की एक रकम भारत की स्कूली शिक्षा में एलिमेंट्री, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और हायर सेकेंडरी, और इस बार एक नया आयाम उसमें से जोड़ा गया है, जिसमें अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन यानी नई शिक्षा नीति में 3 साल से बच्चा खेल के माध्यम से सीखने का उपक्रम पे जुड़ेगी। इस सारे व्यवस्था को एक नई, जैसे अनुराग जी ने कहा, उसकी एक्सटेंशन देते हुए, लेकिन एक नई रूप में कुछ बुनियादी मुद्दे को नई तरीके से, न्यू अप्रोच से एक पैराडाइम शिफ्ट हुई है।
The scheme that has been prepared with a broader goal of improving school effectiveness covers 1.16 million schools, over 156 million students and 5.7 million teachers of government and aided schools from pre-primary to senior secondary level. An all-inclusive, integrated scheme, Samagra Shiksha, treats school education holistically as a continuum from preschool to class 12th and aligns with the Sustainable Development Goal for education. The scheme precisely aligns with the recommendation of National Education Policy 2020, which ensures that all children have access to quality education with an equitable and inclusive classroom environment that should take care of their diverse background, multilingual needs, different academic abilities and make them active participants in the learning process. The scheme aims to universalize access to school education, promote equity through the inclusion of disadvantaged groups and weaker sections, and improve the quality of education across all levels of school education. Number 1. Universal access including infrastructure development and retention. Number 2. Foundation literacy and numeracy. Number 3. Gender and equity. Number 4. Quality and innovation. Number 5. Financial support for teachers' salary. Number 6. Digital initiative. Number 7. Vocational education. Number 8. Sports and physical education. Number 9. Strengthening of teacher education and training.
चाइल्ड सेफ्टी, बच्चों की सुरक्षा। अगर 3 साल में बच्चा कुछ समय के लिए विद्यालय जाएगा, शाला जाएगा, सबकी चिंता रहती है बच्चों की सुरक्षा की क्या है। सरकार ने समग्र शिक्षा में पहली बार इस कंपोनेंट को जोड़ा है। राज्यों को वित्तीय सहायता दिया जाएगा। एक चाइल्ड राइट्स, चाइल्ड कमीशन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स, एक राज्य कमीशन बनाएगी, उसकी वित्तीय व्यवस्था किया जाएगा और पहली बार बच्चों की सुरक्षा के बारे में भारत सरकार भी जिम्मेवारी ले रही है। सेकेंडरी लेवल पे दूर दराज इलाका में विद्यार्थी पढ़ने के लिए आ नहीं पाता है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की जाने आने की दिक्कत रहती है, उस अभाव से वो रह जाता है। समग्र शिक्षा में व्यवस्था किया गया है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी के लिए इंसेंटिवाइज किया जाएगा, उनको खर्चा दिया जाएगा। स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट के बारे में चिंता करने के लिए विशेष करके समाज की जो वंचित वर्ग है, SC ST ऐसे सारे विद्यार्थियों के लिए 16 से 19 साल की आयु के अंदर, पहले 14 साल तक था, अभी बियॉन्ड 14 साल भी समग्र शिक्षा में उसकी चिंता की गई है। उसको भी चिंता किया जाएगा। विशेष करके उनके अंदर जो दिव्यांग बच्चे हैं उनको विशेष ध्यान दिया जाएगा।
In the revamped Samagra Shiksha program, various new interventions have been incorporated to enhance the direct outreach to school-going children. Among this, provision of up to rupees 500 per children for teaching learning materials, indigenous toys and games, play-based activities per annum for pre-primary sections in government schools, NIPUN Bharat, a national mission on foundational literacy and numeracy to ensure that every child achieves the desired learning competencies in reading, writing and numeracy at the end of grade 3rd and not later than grade 5th, has been launched. Incinerator and sanitary pad vending machines in all girls' hostels for out-of-school children at 16 to 19 years of age. Support will be provided to SC, ST disabled children up to rupees 2,000 per child per grade to complete their secondary, senior, secondary levels through NIOS, SOS among others are included. Enhancing the focus on improving the quality of education from 2018 to 2021, 1,160 schools have been upgraded at elementary, secondary and higher secondary levels. 54 new residential schools, hostels have been opened. 41,180 schools have been strengthened. 13.14 lakh schools have been provided sports equipment facility. 12,633 schools have been covered under ICT and digital initiatives. 5,579 schools have been covered under vocational education. 11,562 separate girls' toilets have been constructed. There is much that has already been done, but the road ahead needs more concerted efforts, and the government is recognizing the crucial role of strengthening the foundational skills in the nation's development through such schemes. That is all for today's segment. Thank you for watching.